And parents in Madison expressing concerns with the new gun store set to open next to an elementary school.
Leaders during tonight's Madison City Council meeting heard the concerns of parents who say they believe the gun store is too close for comfort. News 19's Daryl Burke joins us now in the studio after going to that council meeting with more. Daryl.
That's right, Emily. Greg, Rocket City Armory will soon open less than 1,000 feet from Midtown Elementary. This has become a worry for parents with children who are enrolled at the school. Tonight, those parents shared their concerns with the Madison City Council. Multiple parents spoke during the Madison City Council meeting. They say they worry about the safety of their kids, which echoed the concerns they have with the gun store being so closely located to the school attended by their children. Rocket City Armory will also be located across the street from Primrose School of Madison, a preschool and child care facility. Parents worry the gun store is on the edge of violating the Federal Gun-Free Zone Act. However, the city of Madison says the gun store is within its legal right to own and operate at the location. The city says because Rocket City Armory would be operating on a private property that is not part of school grounds, it can lawfully do business even within the vicinity of the two schools. Rocket City Armor owner and supporters of the gun store also showed up to the city council meeting, voicing their support for the establishment's location. Parents who had concerns and the owner of Rocket City Armory all spoke to the city council addressing the matter. We'll have that and more from the Madison City Council meeting coming up on News 19 at 10.